We launched the early closing just before Christmas, so we're very excited to see the first builds going up with early closing system. What's it they like to use?
Yeah, good, mate. Like, I guess we jumped on board, but I heard it was a product out in the market. Yeah, we sort of compared it with a couple other products, and price-wise it was, on point. But then also we found once we started putting on the walls, it was quicker than the other products. The silicone around the bottom rather than, a tape system. The boys managed to get it, pull corners, get it nice and tight, as you can see now. The compressor gun with the nails just went on quick. Taping around the windows, that system was just a lot quicker too. So, yeah, it was just good to use.
It's been tested in our Canterbury summer this year.
Yep.
How have you found it hold up?
Yeah, well, I'm obviously had a lot of rain through the Canterbury summer. We came along and nothing inside. It was perfect. Well, they're the key ones because a lot of the time the water's going to sit there and they're the ones that stay wet for the longest. So then if they're wet, well, then you can't carry on the inside stuff.
Right.
You've got to wait for them to dry. So with this bit of movement, they dry at the same time as everything else, and then you're away again.
What does that extra time mean to you?
Massive. It's massive because then on the inside, we can carry on, we can get doors in, get insulation in, we can get the jib on, the guys can be plastering, and then the bricks can go on after all that.
Right.
Like within that time period. Yeah, we'll definitely do it again, and then I'm trying to push it to a few other clients just to make our life easier.